Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving on Spanish Town Road and we're going to take a look at the construction that's going on. Now this project actually has two parts. The first part is Water Commission laying pipes, and then the second part is the road being renovated, paved over, etc. So you can see that well, basically the pipes have been laid and Water Commission is now doing their pressure tests to make sure everything is working correctly, and then the road will be paved over and renovated, and it will become, this part of the road will be 6 lanes and it should look like Mandela Highway, with the exception you're not going to have the concrete barricade separating the roads. So on the left you can see where they dug up the road to lay the pipes, and hopefully soon, I don't know how long the test will take from Water Commission, but as soon as Water Commission signs off that everything is okay, they'll begin paving the road. Now the contract has been given out for paving the road, so it's just basically everybody's just waiting on Water Commission to sign off, because you don't want a case where they go ahead and pave the road and fix it and blah blah blah, and then Water Commission digs it up. That's happened so many times. So I think everybody knows how Water Commission operates, so they're just waiting. I don't remember how much the project costs, but if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. But if you look on the left, you'll see that some of the sidewalks have been renovated already, and that's part of the rehabilitation work. Now, Spanish Town Road is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. It takes you from downtown Kingston to Mandela Highway, which takes you out of Kingston. So if you're leaving from, let's say you live in Portmore, Spanish Town, and those two areas have the largest population outside of Kingston, and you work in downtown Kingston, this is the road you would take every day to go to work and every day to go back home. Also, it leads to the wharf and it leads to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So the busiest intersection in Jamaica is where we're coming up to now. It's the intersection of Spanish Town Road with Hagley Park Road. So the government identifying this, putting this double overpass that you're seeing straight ahead, where you see that red sign. Now that overpass was built over the intersection. So it's a double overpass. The top lane is Hagley Park Road and the lower lane is Spanish Town Road. Now if you veer left, you can go to the original intersection and stay on the ground level. But if you would just want to continue on Spanish Town Road, you would go straight here, like what we're going to do, and then at the top road, that's Hagley Park Road. So this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica now. And the overpass was built by the Chinese China Harbour Engineering Company, and as you can see, it's the only double overpass in Jamaica actually. And they did an excellent job, and the government also did an excellent job in identifying the need for this, and it works. You can see we're going over the intersection now and there's no traffic. I've never seen delays on these overpasses. Very easy, very nicely done. And it's similar, the top road, Hagley Park Road, that one will take you down to Marcus Garvey Drive, where you can access Portmore, the Portmore Expressway, or you can access the wharf, the largest port in Jamaica, the Kingston Container Services, but basically people just call it the wharf, Kingston Wharf, and you access that off Marcus Garvey Drive. So if we were to stay on Spanish Town Road, we would go all the way down to downtown Kingston, and there are a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road. On the left is Tavares Gardens. You continue going down, you pass Maxfield Avenue, that has a lot of communities. Then you pass Trenchtown, then you pass Denham Town, and then you go into downtown Kingston. You have Tivoli Gardens in the West Kingston area. a lot of residential communities off this road. Also, you have a lot of commercial buildings because Bell Road is I think that's the road you're coming up to on the right, and that is probably the largest manufacturing area in Jamaica. And it's very close to the wharf, so you don't have a long, when you manufacture the goods, like a 5-minute drive to the wharf, and they're on a ship. Similarly, if you need raw material, it's 5 minutes from the wharf, so you don't have to pay all these expensive shipping costs. It's 5 minutes away. So this area is perfect for industrial companies. Also further down, you have industrial estates, which also has a lot of manufacturing companies. And on Marcus Garvey Drive, it runs parallel to this road, you have Petrojam there. Okay, this person is not sure what they're doing, but wish them all the best. Yeah, so this side has the residential communities, but the road that runs parallel to this one on the right is Marcus Garvey Drive, and that's where you have a lot of manufacturing companies, sorry. As you can see on the left, that's where the road was dug up for the pipes to be laid. Now, I'm not sure how many lanes are going to be on this road, because at some sections it looks like 2 lanes. This section is much wider, so this is going to be probably 6 lanes. And you can see where the sidewalk is. They have actually started to fix the sidewalks, so that will give you an idea of just how big the road is going to be, how wide the road is going to be. So it looks like at this point now it's going to come back to 4 lanes. And of course, on the left you see the cars just stopping in the road. That's something you can't get away from in Jamaica. Now on the left is the examination depot, and this is the Spanish Town Road. The official name is the driver's license examination. Okay, no. Examination Depot, Island Traffic Authority, Kingston Examination Depot. Alright, at this intersection we're coming up to now is Maxfield Avenue. Oh boy, this looks like Water Commission is digging up the pipes again, so something must have gone wrong here because they are digging it up again. So that's just going to slow down the second part of the project, which is fixing the actual road. So as we said, it's better to do it now than to do it after the road has been paved. Alright guys, okay, now wait, this isn't, mix up the road, Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.